Welcome back, Nail Queens. I have such an exciting package to show you from Dr. Prince & Co. This is their Manicure Roulette Autumnal edit. So you already know this is going to be full of autumn, spooky season, all the things, and it's in such a big book. I love this. It's so amazing, the attention to detail and all the little details they put in this. So the first thing I want to show you is just the sleeve of the Book of Nail Spells and Sorceries. This, if you purchase the whole book, it came with a collector's card. And inside of the cover, it's telling you all about how to unleash thy creative powers, all that you will need. It's just really charming and beautiful. I love the attention to detail they've put into this whole autumnal edit. So the first thing I want to do is open this up and show you everything that came inside and give you the full unboxing experience. What I'm holding here is the collector's card. It says 2 because this is the second card that they've released in a series. Their first one was their summer package, so this one is really unique and different. I love it. It's a dead fairy. Like, look at the wings, the skeletons, the holographic like colors they're using on the card. I really like these exclusive collector's card. They also included a little black flame candle. So this is called a creative candle. I think it's a nice little touch. I don't know if you guys are into candles like I do. We have them all over our house, so I really like this little detail here. And I love the little text that they have on all of the sides. It's very inspiring. So I'm going to open this up and show you what the candle looks like. Yes, it is a very simple and small candle. If you do wax seals, having this candle might be nice as well, in my opinion, if you do wax seals and you like to burn a candle and you want a black candle. So I think this is nice. I'm definitely probably going to decorate my house for Halloween. I should probably get to that already. I can't believe I'm in September and I haven't done that yet. Shame on me. Next up is the 2022 Trick or Treat First Edition Halloween Expansion Pack. That was a mouthful, but basically they upgraded the paper quality that they're using. So this is a much sleeker, silkier paper. It doesn't feel like just regular paper that you get out of your printer. So this expansion pack in particular came with an art theme and a color palette deck. So right now I'm showing you the art theme. So that's all of these cards right here, but then you're gonna see that there's a color palette deck as well. So you got pumpkin spice, reds, after dark. It basically tells you what colors you should play with and correlate it with the card you drew from the art theme deck. So I think these are really beautiful. So next up we have these 3 decks. The first one is Spellcast and Sorcery. So as you can tell, the packaging is much smaller than the Halloween Trick or Treat edition one. And the reason for this is because this only comes with art theme cards in them. They don't come with color palette cards. So I'm going to open up each one of them. So the first one is Which Witch? That's a mouth. That's like a riddle right there. And the inside of the sleeves tell you all about the packaging and care and how to make sure that everything lasts long and how to protect your cards. But getting into the cards, this is the Which Witch one. You got the Cosmic Witch, Divination Witch, the Sea Witch, Death Witch, Lunar Witch. Like, these are so really beautiful. The artwork is just out of this world. I love this game so much, and I love appreciating someone else's artwork. So I really think Lottie from Dr. Prince & Co. does an incredible job. Next up is Victorian Gothic. Again, like I said, these smaller expansion packs only come with art theme. They don't come with color palette, but look how many art themes cards there are inside of here. We got vintage porcelain, vintage damask, tuffled, stained glass, sheer black. Like, there's so many cards. Calligraphy, a moth, what? Then we've got lace that's coming up. So many wonderful cards. I do say I'm really surprised there is no steampunk like gears in this one. I'm a little surprised by that, but you know what? It's okay. If you guys need steampunk inspiration, I did recently do a steampunk mani, and I think it would have been great for this Victorian deck. Lastly, we have Spellcast and Sorcery. So this one has so many cards in it. I can't wait to see what they look like. Whoa. Psychedelic mushrooms, arsenic, poison. Whew. Right out the gate, this one is probably my favorite out of the 3 decks. This is incredible. Palmistry, Ouija board, optical illusion. Oh my gosh. It's funny because I have so many stamping plates that fit all of these themes. Oh, Lock and Key. That one kind of would have been perfect for my steampunk mani because I do have locks and keys on it. Oh, this is wonderful. I think this is really cool. Crystals, cleansing sage, a cauldron. I want to do these cards immediately. Oh, broomsticks. I have so many Harry Potter theme plates with broomsticks and black candle. Yes. Okay, this is so freaking cool. This is so cool. I love this deck so much. This one's my favorite. So speaking of favorites, let me know in the comments below which of the decks are your favorite. I'll pin a comment with all of them and you can tell me which is your favorite. Victorian Gothic, Spellcast and Sorcery, the Witches, or the Trick or Treat deck. Let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited. Oh, and the fairy card. This one's so stunning. I will not stop buying from Dr. Prince & Co. Their products are so incredible. Right now, I own all of their decks except for one. They released the breast cancer awareness, and I'm gonna buy that one next. But if you're not into spooky, don't worry, they have you covered. They came out with a fall for autumn deck, so this one's not spooky at all. It's more autumnal, and I love it. It's so beautiful. I use this deck to pick out the September Cards Pick collab theme, so if you want to go participate in that, I'll link that video for you. But here is the art themes that came in this deck. You got the fox, an owl. Oh, this is so beautiful. Pumpkins. Yes, I love all the pumpkins. Give me all the pumpkins. Autumnal leaves. That one is actually in our Cards Pick collab. Fireworks. That one actually stood out to me because I didn't expect to see fireworks in autumn one, maybe a bonfire, but that is a beautiful card nonetheless. And acorns. I would have liked to see like mushrooms and other things in here, but if they do more expansion packs in future years, I can understand why they're not going to release everything in this expansion pack. So we got Misty Morning, Cozy and Warm. So this is the color palette themed. Camo, that's great. We have Veterans Day coming up in November in the US. Carpet of Leaves, Burgundy. Oh, I would specifically do these like solid ones matte, because just look how matte those cards are. It's so pretty. Deep red. I actually did a mani with those colors recently. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. I'm sorry, I keep going like back and forth. Deep green. I like those two together for Christmas. Mocha, khaki green, and burnt orange. So that is it for the autumnal deck. That one is just like so perfect. I love this. I will have each of these decks linked down below so you can get the autumnal edit, those 4 first decks all together in a bundle for a discounted price, or purchase them individually. And I will also link the fall for autumn down below individually as well. By the way, I don't get any commission from this. I just absolutely love Dr. Prince & Co. So this is not like affiliated or anything. I don't earn money from your purchases. I just want to share how much I love these products. So thank you guys so much. Bye.